Hello guys, how are you everybody? And thank you for being here. This video is again not really unboxing video. It is just sharing the joy that I have. Like previously, my husband and I just decided to go out and bring our daughter outside, and something just popped up from his head. Sabi niya, how about buying you a cell phone? Kasi itong cellphone ko, it's still working quite okay. Pero minsan nakahang siya. Paminsan-minsan lang naman yun. But he had seen me being upset about it. So he said, okay. I mean, maybe he made a mental note of that. So when we went out, when we were in the mall, he saw the outlet of this one, and he just told me, just why not buying you a cell phone? And I thought, yes, why not? But then I am craving also for some mango, and kainin ko muna habang fresh pa siya. Okay, so this is not a high-end model, but who cares? The most important is the thought of my husband buying me a new one because he sees the need of it. So it's Samsung Galaxy A52, and my cell phone is Galaxy J7. So I don't know in comparison of these two units, but what I know is this cell phone I have, I bought it in the Philippines 4 or 5 years ago, almost 5 years ago. While this one, it has been bought by my husband, and it is his idea of buying me a new one. So it's nice. When we enter the outlet store, actually, wala akong mapili. Wala akong mapili kasi I didn't really think about it. I haven't thought of changing my phone because it's still possible to use. But yes, I remember telling my husband that maybe it's high time for me to have a new cell phone, and I think seeing the problem plus hearing me say that once had made him finally cave in. I already had opened this in the store kasi I wanted a protection. So we had a protection. It came for free. Ang daming freebies dito sa Malaysia. And it comes with a mark like this. The seller was so proud to say, we have the original casing, this and that, and yes, it is also a casing at the same time. It's also a stand. Okay. There you go. It can stand like that. And for this unit, again, it's the idea of my husband to buy it on that day. And also, it is his idea. What unit? I entered on the store and I really am not, I was not really liking anything. And he saw this, okay. What he likes in here best is it's being dust free and waterproof. It comes with a manual and this one. So yun ang dahilan kung bakit ito ang nagustuhan niya. Waterproof because there were instances na nabasa yung cellphone ko, nahulog sa dagat, whatever, and hindi na gana. And when he saw this, he excitedly just raised it up like, yay! So there you go. Even if this unit comes with a claim na waterproof siya, I don't think it is good for us to purposely put underwater. And take note, waterproof lang siya sa fresh water, hindi sa seawater. I asked the seller, how deep can it go and how long? And he told me it can go as deep as 5 meters and it can last for 5 minutes. And when my husband heard me asking that, he knew what I have in mind and he said, don't even think about it. But yes, like when going in a stream and then I could just take a shot underwater. Of course, I think we have to stay away from purposely putting it in water, maski na waterproof. It was not designed for that. I think that being waterproof, it means safe from the rain, safe from the splash, accidental splash from any faucet, free from accidental fall into the water. Ganun lang. Iba na siguro yung talagang sinadya mo na ibabad o sinadya mong ilagay sa tubig. But in instances talaga na nabasa yung phone mo, I think one of the tip is don't try to turn on immediately. Let it dry. So I have a new cell phone. I'm very happy about it. It's not the high-end cell phone, but it's okay. And it serves it serves yung idea ng asawa ko to siguro mas maganda nga ito sa akin because I go around with my cell phone, including swimming pool. So doon na ninervous ang aking asawa. I haven't really tested it yet. I need to buy, what's this? SIM card for this. And the seller was so kind to put everything I wanted because I'm into YouTube. I needed some screen recorder. It's a new fashion. So why not? Hindi naman sa nakikiuso ako, but I have to know how it works. I have to learn new skills, new techniques. Okay. So there you go. Merong bagong technology ang Samsung. Ito yung flip open on the side. It's quite big screen. Kapag medyo magtatagal pa in the market, because I also want to have or I want to be sure sa kanyang quality, and kapag magtatagal siya in the market at hindi mawawala, I would like to have one like that. I don't know how it is called, but it is quite exciting for me. But for now, for everything I have, I'm contented. I'm happy with it. I support Asian companies na magaganda ang quality like Samsung, Asus, Sony. There are some brand I don't support for some political reason. Bakit ko ba nasabi kanina na yung, I don't know how they call that. Bakit ko aantahin na tatagal sa market yung ganong klase ng cellphone made by Samsung? Kasi gusto kong malaman yung quality niya kung nagtatagal pa siya. Kasi normally kapag maraming problema ng mga consumer, mga bumibili, kung marami silang complaint regarding sa model na yon, hindi yan magtatagal in the market. So kapag nagtatagal, it just meant that it is being favored by the customers. May bumibili at may patuloy na bumibili. So ibig sabihin, maganda ang quality niya. Ganun. So, magantay ako. I think it's just been there for 2 years. 2 years. And if it continues to sell hot in the market like a pancake, and then yes, I will have, because when I saw and I look at it, it can possibly replace tablet kasi lalaki na yung screen mo. At the same time, you can do a lot of things. I researched a little, but not thorough research. So with the little things I know about it, I'm kinda interested. I think this one offers a new technology, and I'd like to support a visionary breakthrough. This mango is good, and this is good. It is made by my Cambodian friend. She lives in the same condominium building. I like the spiciness. She told me this is pretty common in Cambodia. And I intentionally I openly asked her to make one for me, and she made me one, so I have to consume while it's fresh. Thank you guys. Salamat. Hanggang sa susunod. Bye-bye.